Fort Tayuna isn't just a base. It's Venezuela's version of the Pentagon, built into mountainous terrain, hardened concrete gates, underground facilities, guard towers, pillboxes carved into the hillsides, 24/7 patrols. An estimated 5,000 elite Venezuelan troops were stationed there. And yet, this would become ground zero. While the world watched U.S. aircraft carriers in the Caribbean, something else was happening. A deception campaign. The U.S. Navy tightened a naval quarantine around Venezuela. Officially, this was framed as counter-narcotics enforcement. Unofficially, it fixed Venezuelan attention on the sea. Meanwhile, Cyber Command was laying digital landmines. Malware was quietly implanted into Venezuela's power infrastructure, waiting. At the same time, U.S. forces rehearsed the raid endlessly, including building a full-scale replica of Maduro's safe house back in the United States.